What happens when the brushstrokes of creativity meet the circuits of technology? Imagine the fusion of art and artificial intelligence. On one hand, we have the timeless beauty of artistic expression, on the other, the limitless potential of technology. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is not just reproducing human creativity, but it's pushing its boundaries, creating new vistas of imagination. It's a dance of digits and designs, where algorithms aid the artist. This fusion is not just changing art, it's redefining the very canvas of creativity. Imagine an artist who doesn't sleep, doesn't eat, and can learn from centuries of art in minutes. This is the reality when we introduce artificial intelligence into the world of art creation. At the heart of this innovation are algorithms, the building blocks of AI, which enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Let's dive deeper. AI in art primarily uses machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning algorithms observe and analyze thousands of artworks, learning patterns and styles to generate something entirely new. Meanwhile, neural networks, which mimic the human brain, process and interpret the complex data, enabling the creation of intricate and nuanced art pieces. Consider AI tools that sift through vast databases of images, colors, and techniques. These tools can predict and create visual elements that resonate with human emotions, crafting dynamic and interactive installations that respond to viewer interactions in real time. With every algorithm, AI is pushing the boundaries of what art can be. Now, let's step into a world where art installations understand and react to their audience. Imagine walking into a gallery where the walls come alive as you pass by. This is not fantasy, but reality in the realm of interactive AI art installations. One such marvel is the Echo Chamber, an installation that uses hundreds of sensors embedded within its structure. As visitors move around, these sensors capture motion and sound, allowing the artwork